Hello everyone. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading for the past couple months. There were some issues I'm having with my old phone. The phone I'm using right now is my brother's old phone, which I should be very grateful. But anyways, a couple days ago, in case you haven't seen my post, I found 3 new Motorized packs, and they're all from the same Walmart. Well, not near me, just about pretty much a 30 or 40-minute drive from here. But anyways, I found them. One of them, one of them being the one that I want, being the one I wanted the most, and the one that was suggested by LB and LB and SCRE2. In case you haven't sub to him, please do so. He needs more subscribers. Uh, um, Sorry about the name, buddy. But anyways, here's Wobbly Cargo Thomas, Frosting Diesel, two of the newest Motorized packs, and the one that I wanted the most and was supposed to be at my Walmart sometime last summer, but I haven't got around to but I haven't got around until recently. Splash Tank James. Yes, I finally own Splash Tank James after several months of searching. Yep, I found all 3 in the same Walmart. So to start off, I'm going to be unboxing all 3 of these. Just going to do unboxing these one by one. Oop. There we go. Nope. Sorry. Wrong screw. There we go. That should do it. Oh, there we go. There are instructions, which I don't necessarily, which I don't really need because I know how to install the batteries. Thomas says cargo out. Oh. There's all the trash. And here's Thomas, covered in cake. So this pack comes with a cake covered Thomas. I really like the new color on this Thomas, with the green and green front wheels and green back wheel, and orange middle wheels, and And this Thomas also comes with two pink flatbeds, one with a yellow and blue wobbly cakes, and another with a green and orange wobbly cake. Yeah, the cakes wobble to and fro as Thomas moves down the line. Or, well, the cakes wobble as Thomas moves to and fro. This function is similar to that of Wobbly Cargo Thomas, which came out around the same time as Splash Tank James, but I have yet to find that Thomas. Both of these flatbeds have green and orange wheels. And here are the cakes. Oh yeah, well, you can switch the cakes around, switch the cakes around and mix them up a bit. Oh yeah, you can switch the cakes around, mix them up a bit. I really like the pink flatbeds here. Thank goodness we got that instead of the traditional red. And here's Thomas again. Let's go ahead and give him some batteries. And what do you know? He's a runner. Yeah, as you can see, the cakes wobble, but not roughly like that. Next up, Frosting Diesel. Again with the instructions. Get some tape. Some tape. There's some more tape. And I should be able to get this diesel out. And there we go. That's more trash. And here's Diesel covered in green frosting with sprinkles. some green and orange frosting with sprinkles. And he's really disgusted by it. And I don't blame him. Ooh, what I didn't do is I forgot to show the top and the bottom of Thomas. My bad. Hey, I'm gonna keep this rolling. But anyways, that's Diesel, and he comes with 2 black flatbeds with the top and bottom of the Squeakinator, which is some sort of a machine. Like this. Yes, that is the Squeakinator. I'm not sure what that is or what it does, but if you guys know, leave your answers in the comments below. But anyways, it's nice to have another. It's nice to have black flatbeds, even though black isn't. Never mind. But anyways, it's nice to have these. You can't have too many pieces of rolling stock. And Diesel runs too. And that's it on Frosting Diesel. And last but not least, Splash Tank James. Unlike the 2 packs we just had a look at, this pack is not. The box of this pack is not updated. How can you tell? Can you see the difference? Yeah, the box for this pack was not updated. Here's James. Also, unlike the previous 2 packs, this one does not have tape. You can just sorry, Diesel. Got so much trash I need to take care of. But anyways, here's James with his flame details and a water tanker. I really like the water detail on both sides. and a flame detail on James. This is one of those packs I've been wanting for a pretty long time. And now I finally got one. I really like the look on James here. He is determined. Though I don't think this pack was meant to be based on any episode. It's still a best one to have. Here's James. He's pretty much the same as the normal version and the talking version. Pretty much the same as the normal version, except he's got flames. Again with the long coupling. The long coupling on the tender engines, that kind of bothered me. And here's the water tanker. Let me move Diesel and Thomas out of the way real quick without dumping the cakes. Oh. Go ahead and give James his batteries. And also a nice runner. But yeah, that's on the Splash Tank James. And that will do it for this video. So, which pack is your favorite? Is it Wobbly Cake Thomas? Is it Frosting Diesel? Or is it Splash Tank James? Leave your answers and opinions in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I can't wait to see... And I can't wait to see where this channel goes to next. As always, see you later.